Can you believe how beautiful that is? Look at the pitch of those gables. It's gorgeous. This is the Saussy Burbank model home at Nims Village. And by the way, this model home is currently on the market for a lease back. And how does that work? Well, you would buy it and then they would lease it back. So investors, you get money back every month. And then at the end of their sales cycle, maybe that's a year from now, maybe 18 months, 2 years, then basically you move in or do whatever you want. 8-foot doors, man. And this porch off to the right, it is huge. It's so large, we can't even show it to you. My wife, Patty, went out to shoot this yesterday. And here's the problem with me sending her out. She loves Saussy Burbank. She bought a Saussy Burbank house years ago and wished she had never sold it. So when I send her out, by the way, this is a bedroom / office up there in the front. If you build it from scratch, I believe it could be a bedroom. Let's go find out. If you buy this for the lease back, they've got it configured as an office. But look at the built-ins. Now, when she was shooting this, she's oohs and ahs. She's like, oh, I could live here. It's so dangerous. Now, it's got little doggy bowls there. Laundry room, look, cabinets, got a window in the laundry room. Now, this house is priced in the $775 to $800 range. That's a full bath. And, prices go up and down. That's why I don't like quoting exact pricing. But look at the coffer. I mean, see, Saussy's got a unique way to do the built-in, the windows, the coffer. And, of course, this being a model home, they make it look just ridiculously cool. Big breakfast space and the kitchen. Now, when they put those cabinets above the 42-inch cabinets, and then they put lights in them, I think they're not even playing fair because it just draws you in like a model home. Farmhouse sink with that beautiful porcelain white apron. Now, if you like most of everything about this, I mean, you talk about gourmet appliances. And that dark-colored, kind of a slate-colored, matching those down cabinets, those base cabinets, really a unique touch. So this is a Hartwell. This is a master down plan, big, tall windows. Nims Village is the one right across the street from the brand new Catawba Ridge High School. So again, the Saussy, she walks into this room, she's like, oh, this is so big. I love this. It's beautiful. Let's buy it. And so if you're in the market for a house, and let's say you have kids, that you want to be in the Fort Mill schools, maybe you're a banking executive moving from Wells Fargo's San Francisco. This could be perfect. Why? Because maybe you've got kids that are, you want the Fort Mill schools. Isn't that cool? Look how beautiful those undermount rectangular and that herringbone. Are you kidding me? Now, there are a number of homes. Another great local builder, Evans Coghill, is in Nims Village also. I know you probably know more about it than me because you've done the research. But there's several master up and several master down homes available for a quick move. This Hartwell plan, it's really great. And this one could be bought. Let's say you're going to move in a year. This could be perfect for you. It's right, about the second house to the right when you go in. Big screen porch. I'm sorry. We were looking through the screen. That's a covered patio. Man, look at that. And that refrigerator's also got that nice dark color matching the cabinets. And the built-ins, blah, blah, blah. So now there are homes priced in the under $750 range. In fact, they've got several homes in the $675,000 to $700,000 range. In fact, most of them are lying in that kind of 6.25 to 7, with a few over 7. This one's at the upper end of that because it's a model. It's got appliances and all that. But we could build you a house, and then we could go in and we could look at both builders, go into this model home, look at it, talk to the sales rep there. We could go into, look at those colors, man. They know what they're doing, don't they? And that window, that really caught Patty's attention. That window right between the mirrors there, spectacular. But let's go in. Let's just say, hey, you're flying in. Let's go into Nims Village. We could also go right down the street to the Classica Homes Arden Mill. But again, that you're going to pay more down there, which is fine with me. But there's a lot of value in Nims Village. And if you type the word Nims, N-I-M-S, into my YouTube search bar, what you'll find is a beautiful tour of this rolling landscape and see this, just experience it. And then get on a plane and let's go together and experience it with your boots on the ground. So again, just to recap, you can buy in the 600s here. You're right across from the Catawba Ridge High School that's open. Uh-oh, look at the built-ins. Uh-oh, I know. Oh, man. So, oh, look at the built-in. This is like staged beautifully, this loft right at the top. So I can't wait to be your buyer's agent. I make relocating to Charlotte easy. Give me a call at 704-345-3400. And oh, by the way, I do love windows right there on the landing. And let's go see him. Better yet, give me a call and let me go do some research for you. Shoot a video if a certain house has caught your interest. And let's make relocating to Charlotte or Fort Mill easy for you. And I'll see you in the next video.